Okay guys, we are doing a test with Ezra here. Hi Ezra. Okay, and we're going up the XC60 wagon, which is not a fair fight, isn't it? But then again, the wagon was fast.
The wagon is fast.
The wagon is fast,
Yeah.
so it is a fair fight because that's a triple engine if you think about it. It's supercharged, it's turbocharged, and there is a hybrid battery there. So instant torque in the car is pretty fantastic. And obviously this is a EV, smaller, but not heavy, a bit heavy, isn't it? 2.3 versus what? 2 point something similar?
It's going to be a fair fight.
It's a fair fight actually, yeah. Same weight, you're right. 3 engines, same weight, and this is EV. Yeah, don't let the size fool you. It is a heavy car. Let's see.
Let's see.
But what I found out is, Isra, that a lot of the EVs, when they do full-on drag race, it becomes very uncomfortable. So let's see how this one feels in terms of acceleration.
Yep.
It's scary, like, I don't want to do this again, ever again. Get me out of here. Or it's like, oh, this is fast and nice, you know.
It is the fastest accelerating Volvo, yeah?
Fastest accelerating Volvo ever made.
Yep.
That'll be interesting. Imagine the fastest ever Volvo ever made. And you can buy it for quite reasonable entry point. It's not out of the stratosphere. Yeah, God, crazy, yeah?
Yep.
And Volvo doesn't make fast cars because they want to be safe. So now there's a safe car. Come. Am I in drive? Yeah.
Yep, we ready?
Yep. I give you 2 seconds stop.
Okay, I've done that. Come.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go!
There we go.
Start braking.
That's a big difference.
Then stop cars.
That's a big difference, you know. That's a big difference. I didn't let go of the throttle pedal, so it made a lot of difference. I think the earlier guy kind of like slowed back, but this one went all on, so it made a difference. Quite nice. It wasn't scary, if that makes sense, because normally they like a Taycan, whatever, you go and you get this feeling in your gut whereby you're losing control. This was a very well-paced, well-mannered acceleration, and we got to 3.6 seconds at 100. Not bad, bro, not bad. Pretty good stuff.
Nice.
Guys, ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh my god, what an acceleration, man!
Alright, good.
Oh!
360 can make a U-turn. Car 1 you can go